What we have here today is new red brick construction. That is our focus today on removing the excess mortar without harming the tool joint. We achieve that by a proprietary chemical cleaning product known as Sure Klean 600 detergent. Before we get started, there's a couple things we need to focus on. One is we need to get the right dilution rate, so we're going to do that through test panel applications. We always want the mildest dilution rate of chemical for the most effective job in removing the excess mortar without harming the tool joint. We also need to look at the building, decide what non-masonry surfaces are adjacent to the brick construction and make sure that we protect them. Some of the non-masonry surfaces that you need to be careful about are window glass, aluminum window frames, plant life, and any adjacent concrete surfaces should be protected from the cleaning chemical. Also, some of your personal protective equipment that's necessary when using acidic-based cleaners are specifically eye protection, whether it's a face shield or eyeglasses, and a good set of rubber gloves. Rain suits are very beneficial when working overhead to keep the rinse water and the chemical effluent from coming in contact with your skin. Sure Klean 600 dilution range is 1 part concentrate to 4 parts water to 1 part concentrate to 12 parts water. Today we have selected 1 part concentrate or 1 part 600 detergent to 6 parts water. I am pre-wetting the substrate. Applying the material with a pump-up sprayer from the bottom up. Evenly apply the material. We're allowing it to dwell 1 to 3 minutes. During that time, we will agitate it with either a stiff fibered brush, piece of light masonry, or wood scraper. Please do not use metallic scrapers, as acidic and metallic materials have an adverse effect. For heavy accumulated areas, you may have to spot reapply. And then rinse thoroughly from the bottom up. And now allowing it to dry. We appreciate your time in reviewing this information, and if you have any additional questions, feel free in calling the Customer Care Department at 1-800-255-4255.